Hello, class. I'm actually back at it again. I forgot that there was another question that Dr. Mana Blankson wanted me to answer, so I'm just going to quickly go over that. It's on the sectoral shifts, frictional unemployment, and job searches. So in this one, we're saying that suppose the world price of steel falls substantially. The demand for labor among steel producing firms in Pennsylvania, what's going to happen to that? So think about it. If the price of steel is falling substantially, firms that who produce steel see this, they're going to hire less workers because they're not going to be getting as much money for their steel. Hence, the demand for labor among automobile producing firms in Michigan, on the other hand, for which steel is an input. Remember, if steel is an input, the input prices go down, supply will increase. So basically, the demand for workers, since they now have extra money, will increase. On the other hand, the temporary unemployment resulting from sectoral shifts in the economy is best described as what? I talked about this a little earlier in the video, so this is obviously going to be solely frictional unemployment. Remember, anytime that there's some sort of sectoral shift in the economy, people moving from an old job to a new job, it's always going to be frictional unemployment. Um, and lastly, suppose the government wants to reduce this type of unemployment, which of the following policies would help achieve this goal? And there's like a lot of similar problems to this one. Taxing the price of placing a resume or posting a job opening on a job search website. This is definitely not going to reduce this type of unemployment. It's going to discourage people to want to go back in and search for jobs because if they're being taxed simply just to place a resume or to post a job opening, then they're obviously going to do that less. So we're definitely not going to put that one down. Improving a widely used job search website so that it matches workers to job vacancies more effectively. Absolutely. We're trying to match the workers who don't have a job to a new job. So this would help. And establishing government run employment agencies to connected unemployed workers to job vacancies. This would obviously definitely be one as well because we would be matching workers who don't have a job to jobs. So anything that's going to basically match workers and help them find job vacancies is obviously going to reduce frictional unemployment. So just grade that real quick. And yep, as we can see, frictional unemployment often results from changes in the demand for labor amongst firms. When the world price of steel falls, steel producing firms will find it less profitable to produce steel. As steel producing firms decrease production, the demand for labor with which to produce steel decreases. So, job opportunities in Pennsylvania contract in that case. On the other hand, though, for automobile producing firms, if the price decreases, it helps their production because it's a decrease in one of their production costs. They're going to increase production, hire more workers. Um, and yeah, and then workers laid off in one sector. I already talked about frictional unemployment. And for that one, you can read the explanation a little bit down there, but I hope that helps. And like I said, if you have any more questions, just let me know.